gosh, you look so frail. Your crumbling throne is doomed to fail. Like your Ouroborus eating its tail, your greed is gonna make you pale.
Get your body, that ass, that mouth is not to scale.
Round and round we spin and fight, chasing shadows in the night. This endless cycle's losing steam. Time to awaken this wicked dream. You play the game but you lost the plot. A hollow king tied in a knot. Every lie that you've ever bought circles back to the mess you've wrought.
It's clear you never had original thought. Sad, but is this the best you fucking got?
Round and round we spin and fight, chasing shadows in the night. This endless cycle's losing steam. Time to awaken this wicked dream. Your cards are marked, your dice are cracked. The deals you made just can't retract. Each step you take, it's just an act. Your whole facade is under attack.
Plastic balls in a paper sack. Lift up your shirt, bet you got a yellow back.
The snake devours its own skin. Your twisted game can't ever win. The crowd has tired of your sin. Their patience gone, they're closing in.
I'll be laughing when 10 stars crumble and Brutus starts stabbing again.
Round and round we spin and fight, chasing shadows in the night. This endless cycle's losing steam. Time to awaken this wicked dream.
Brain for an incompetent, everything has to be spelled out cause you can't catch a hint. Everything looks like Tinder cause the only tools at your disposal are hammer and flint. Should be buried under prison, not avoiding a stint.
And I'm just wondering where integrity went.
Round and round we spin and fight, chasing shadows in the night. This endless cycle's losing steam. Time to awaken this wicked dream.